Alright you guys, so just a little disclaimer while you're watching this video. The quality, for some reason, was really not very good. I think we just didn't focus it like we were supposed to. I don't know. But it's kind of fuzzy. I don't really know why, but it is. So excuse that. Hopefully you don't log out of the video because of it. If you do, then... but yeah, and then also we kind of played the game wrong, I think. So just ignore it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my good friend Sabrina.
Hey you guys.
She actually has, well, not yet. We're actually about to make her a new YouTube channel
very soon. So
I will link that down below so you guys can check her out. Definitely go subscribe, show her some love.
Thank you.
So today's video is kind of going to be a different one. I was watching Josh and Savannah. If you haven't watched their channel, you should go check them out too. But they did a video where they did text roulette, and basically what it is you switch phones, and then you have a cup of like names of people that you're going to text, and then you also have a cup of phrases that you're going to text to those people. So we're gonna act a fool. Yeah, we're about to embarrass ourselves. So
let's do this.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's get on to the video. I have the phrases right here and she has the names right there. Okay.
Alrighty.
So wait, we gotta
Which one do we do first?
We gotta switch phones.
Ah, shit.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared. Alright. Okay. So do you want to go first? You want to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first?
It's okay.
You go first?
Let's
okay.
Do this.
She's doing it.
Okay, so I got... Okay, tweet.
Okay, so she's gonna tweet from my phone.
Okay, literally, I don't know if you guys can see. Tweet.
Can they? I don't know. Oh. It says tweet.
Okay, so...
And then pick what you're gonna tweet.
Okay. I'm on my way to your house. Where should we hide the body? Okay, this one's gonna be good. Okay.
Okay. So you go.
That's bad.
Go on my Twitter.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay.
She doesn't know how to work
this,
okay.
You guys. So I need to like be up to date with this. Okay, what's happening? I'm on my way to your house.
To your house. Exclamation point.
Where should we hide
the body?
Oh my god. Okay.
Tweet.
Okay.
She said it.
Tweet.
Oh my god. Oh, people are gonna be like, oh, I don't know why you're handing it. You have it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we keep it and just mix it up. Okay. Okay, ready? My sister. Eden's sister.
Okay, what are we gonna tweet or text?
I have to text my sister from your phone.
Okay. Oh, that's.
Oh, wait, I gotta say what I gotta text.
That's how it works?
I guess.
Oh.
She don't even know who you are.
I know.
Should I just text your sister then?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna be saying.
Oh my god.
I haven't pooped in 8 days. Can you see?
Oh,
I haven't pooped in 8 days.
Okay, I have two sisters. Which one do you want to text?
I don't care. Whichever one would think it's funniest.
Let's text Coco.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I haven't pooped in 8 days. Should I put an emoji?
Yeah, do the shit emoji.
No, I'm gonna do this one. Hold on.
This is bad, you guys. Okay. We'll see what she says like throughout while we do like the other stuff. Okay. Oh my god, she's gonna be like, what the hell? Oh. Guys, she texted back. Okay.
She said ew. Okay.
Oh shit.
Do we just stop screen recording?
I think so.
I don't know how this works. Okay, sure.
Okay. Let's see.
Now we put this one back.
see who's next.
Oh wait, no, we don't put that one back. Let's keep this one. Let's do that. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm next.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing? Eden's boyfriend. Ooh.
It's on my phone too, so it makes sense. Okay.
That's a good one.
Now choose your...
Let's see what we're gonna text him. I went to the club last night and I can't find my...
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh
I
God.
went to the club last night.
It's really funny because we were on FaceTime last night, so he knows I did.
I can't find my phone. Should I do an emoji?
Yeah. Send.
Okay. Let's see what he says.
Okay. No,
That's
wait
gonna be
for it.
good. Okay.
Okay, my turn. Throw that. Okay, throw that. Okay, here. Okay. I feel like we lost all these names in here.
I think so.
Your sister again.
Again? Okay, we can do the other one. Okay, the other one. Okay. I don't know why my phone does this. Okay, let's do Leanna.
Okay. What did he say?
He said, "What? You are texting me, so you have your phone." See, he's smart.
He's not stupid.
He's a smart one.
Okay, so this says, I'm texting your sister, and I'm saying, I like to walk around my house naked.
Oh. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
I know. I don't even know how to work it.
Okay. I'm gonna put a smirky face.
This is bad.
We'll wait to see what she says.
She's gonna be like, what the fuck?
Okay. Done with that.
Friend.
Okay.
Okay, best friend.
Okay. Let me see what you're gonna say.
Let's see. I tried to fit in the drawer and got stuck. How do I get out? Okay.
Okay. Go. This is my friend Piper.
Okay, I tried to fit in the dryer. I gotta take it out. And got stuck.
Your sister texted back and said, what the f? That's funny.
To get. Okay, so should we text them all afterwards and be like,
yeah, you can tell them afterwards.
Be like, oh, we're just playing. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, let's see what Piper says. Okay, let's get out of that. Okay. There's not a lot of names left. There's only one, so I just picked for you.
So my sister. Wait, it's your sister because I can't do my sister on your phone.
I think let's do someone else.
Here, I'll do
because they were probably the one.
your best friend.
Okay, let's do that.
Because I feel like we haven't done that.
Let's do that one.
Okay, let's see. It's coming out of both ends. What do I do?
Okay, let's. Okay, this is the perfect one for her because she's like into that crazy.
Okay.
Alright.
What did Piper say?
She said, "Are you serious, Eden? Are you serious?"
he texted again and said, "You can't pull that shit on me, E."
This is bad.
Oh my god.
This is bad, guys.
You
Okay.
can't text her back. You
No,
just
I
have to
can't.
ignore them.
Just
Okay.
have to ignore it until after.
It's coming out of both ends. ... What do I
do? Exclamation mark. Question mark. Okay.
Okay. Let's see your replies.
Oh my god.
Is that it?
That's
Is that all of them?
That's all of them.
Okay.
I think
Wait to see your reply.
I think we're done torturing everyone.
That's hilarious.
Let's see what she
Did
says.
she have her reds on?
I don't know. Sometimes she does. Sometimes she doesn't. Weirdo. My sister said weirdo.
Oh my god. Okay.
Today has been the absolute best girls' day. Like, we literally got a large pizza from Whole Foods. We just bumped that out. Stars and bucks.
Hashtag not sponsored, but should be.
We should. We really should.
Sponsor me, Starbucks.
Please do.
So I can get some free coffee.
Oh
My coffee.
She still hasn't responded. She's fake.
Oh, guys. I got my hair cut.
And it looks bomb.
I cut it all off.
Even though I love you with long hair, but
I
it
know.
looks good. You can pull off anything.
Everyone at work was like, no.
I saw when he first walked in, I was
They
like,
were like-
Aiden!
But yeah, it's too hot for long hair.
Oh no.
So get out of here. All right, well, she's not gonna reply, so. But yeah, so that is all for this video. If you like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my very random videos that I periodically post. Yeah, so turn on my post notifications so you can see when I post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe to her channel for sure. We haven't made it yet, but
SabrinaSweetzz!
SabrinaSweetzz. But by the time you're seeing this video, she will have a YouTube channel, so
Awesome.
I'll link that down below. Go subscribe, and yes, that is all for this video.
Bye, you guys!
I already said that. All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh wait, we have to see if the sound works. We're about to like record a whole freaking video.
Okay, stop it and then.
Okay. We're gonna have some great bloopers.
Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay.
Okay. Yes. All right. Keep. No, we don't keep this.
No,
we're done with this.
Okay, yeah, just put it down.
All right.
Okay. Oh, let me throw this.
No, we keep that.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we keep doing like we don't know who we're gonna. Oh.